Hello guys, it's Alliyah again. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to create 3 different looks using only one eyeshadow color. This is super beginners friendly. You can pick whatever color you prefer. I'll be using a red shade today because I want it to look more apparent on this whole tutorial. If you're interested, just keep watching. For the first look, I'm just using a fluffy brush to pat that shades onto my eyelid. Then I'm just gonna start blending it out. I would recommend beginners to start with the neutral colors like brown or maybe light pink, just avoid anything too dark. And then I'm just gonna add a tiny bit of that and run it across the lower lash line as well. This look is seriously so easy. I love doing this, especially when I don't have enough time in the morning. And then just like what I did, you can also use an angled brush to create a soft wing eyeliner using the same color to complete this whole look. Now for the second look, apply the eyeshadow on the lid and use a brush to blend out the edges for a softer look. If you're gonna wear this for more than a few hours, I would suggest you to apply a primer first to make it more long lasting. I know the color looks a bit creepy now, but don't worry, it will get better later. And then I'm just gonna go back into that shade again and I'm gonna pat that on my lid to create a gradient. Now we're just blending everything out and make sure there's no harsh edges. After you're done with the eyelid, the color should look like this. Next, we're also adding some color on the lower outer lash line, then we're just gonna smudge it. As you guys can see, I just added a brown eyeliner and a mascara to complete the second look. Moving on to the third look, we're gonna pat that shades on the inner corner first and then blend again. Now we're gonna bring that same exact color on this outer corner here just to start build up the shape. And then we're just gonna take a brush and I'm just gonna buff that right over the edges of the top of where we just applied those shadows, just to kind of blend everything and soften it up. Using an angled brush, we're just gonna apply this along the entire lower lash line, making sure that it connects to the existing shadow on this outer corner. And then I'm just gonna take the shade again because I want to add a tiny bit more depth on the outer and inner corner with this. And then just take the fluffy brush again and blend everything out. So here's the final look. I just added the mascara and the black eyeliner. I hope you guys learned something from this video and feel free to share this with your friends who might need this. I'll see you on the next one. Bye!